already selling off. Man, if we could get a VPOC on this, the pop 920 crosshair, this is one of my favorite setups. We start falling off the table. Ooh, we get a pop back up into 80. If we could get a VPOC up here, that'd be nice. I'd be impatient. I'm not ordering, I'm not getting in anything just yet. I need a good pop. If I'm gonna get short, man, I really need a good pop up into this 60 minutes setup here. Gonzo, man, that's not gonna give me a chance either. Fudge, it's already down. There we go. Stay away from that thing for a minute. We got 2450. Got 3,300 shares holding that up. Maybe we can get a bounce back up towards VPOC. Right now, 2450 is the range, and we're at 2460. It's just not enough. It's not enough. I need a good another 10 points. Get me up into VPOC into that 5-minute 9. But there's enough risk reward here still. If I can get a close here and bounce into 50, I can cover into 38. Put my stop in place. If we break 38, this thing's going down.
Order filled.
Well, I got filled on a little pop there. It's not quite 38, so, but it's in the trigger range, and I just sized down, widen my stop a little bit, at least get me something going here before it dumps again. A little late to the party, but I see 2,400 coming.
Order filled.
Just taking a little profits in case it does want to bounce here, but just because it sure don't think it's going to, but I took a little profits, pay myself, help me relax a little bit here, you know, with the drill. I like to pay, put a couple, but I think we're still going to take off here. 2,400 is the target. I'm gonna sell a little bit more coming into the 2,400, which we're down near there.
Order filled.
And then now I'm gonna put a profit stop in on the rest. I mean, so I don't want to sell myself short, but we are at 2,400. We're at the bottom. This is probably the bottom. So I've sold most of my position, and I'm going to keep moving my profit stop from here. Just trying to show you, you don't have to catch the whole trade. Like sitting here watching this right here, that was the entry, and I liked it, but I needed a little. That at the time the 9 was up here, and I was looking for a pop, because if I take this trade here, if I take this trade, and then it wicks up here and hits the 9, it's gonna stop me out. So I waited and I waited. I wanted to take it, but it just didn't give me that pop. And then so it's done, you know. Well, just trying to show you that stick with it, stick with that trade. I can't complain to have 2 contracts left on this thing. I mean, it's even 2 contracts, it's just freaking pays the bills, man. But come on, give me a good setup. I want one more.